I'm the plug and you don't know. Oh, why?
Hello, how are you?
Oh, don't see myself no more.
Just make sure there's nothing strong or flammable in your hand. And in this bag, no valuable items, no laptop, and religion. This ticket in name is spelled correctly. So pretty.
Thank you, there's no A.
Perfect.
Jessica. Thanks, bye. So, I arrived a little bit early for my flight today because they had some issues with the online check-in. It kept on saying error. So I came to the airport a little bit earlier and I requested to fly from 𝘪𝘯𝘕 because it's a lot closer, or it isn't necessarily closer in terms of kilometers, but it's just way better in terms of traveling than going to Tambo. So yeah, I'm at 𝘪𝘯𝘕 airport now and I came to Kauai quickly after checking in my bag and I got a salted caramel protein smoothie, which I will tell you what's in here. It sounded amazing. Whey protein, dates, banana, almond, macadamia nut butter, Himalayan salt and coconut infused water. And then I got a, what wrap was this? It was a tropical chicken wrap which has chicken, pineapple, carrots, greens and Thai peanut dressing. There is a British family next to me and they are so loud. So I'm just gonna have this and then head to my boarding gate in like 10 minutes.
Can't seem to fight this feeling. No matter what you call it, I only know that I got it, back. Can't stop it if I want it. No matter what you call it, I only know that I got it good.
How cute is this, guys? Okay, let's go.
Oh, I thought I did.
Yeah. Do you want to say hi to my vlog? Welcome us to Cape Town.
Welcome to Cape Town.
Can't stop it if I want it. No matter what you call it, I only know that I got it good.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you.
Enjoy your stay.
It was a lovely ride. Thanks.
No.
Oh, where do we go in? Thank you.
That I got it good.
Oh my word. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm dying. I'm dying. Look at this. It says, Jessica, welcome to Destination Guest, Cape Town. Get ready for an adventure. And this little cutie. How cute is that, guys? And these pillows. I mean, that's unreal. Oh my word. How do you open this thing? This way? I'm assuming. There's the V&A waterfront. Ooh, look at these hotel rooms, guys. This is so cool. Okay, let me show you the rest of the room. Okay, the first thing that I saw when I walked in the room was this table, you guys. How beautiful is this little guest belt bag? And then we have a little guest cap, and I'm assuming this is like a wine or something. And then you guys, I immediately spotted this as soon as I walked in. It has the Guess logo and it's so soft. And we have little Guess slippers, and I just showed you guys the view. Oh my word, how beautiful are these lights. They're stunning. And then this is the room area where the bed is. How cute are those little pillows. And I showed you the little welcome note. And this is our itinerary for the week. So today we are obviously arriving, and then we have a Guess fashion show at the Grand Africa Cafe and Beach, and yeah, then we finish at around 11. I'm not going to show you the rest of the itinerary because I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow and showing you what we get up to tomorrow, so stay tuned for the next vlog. So I'm going to keep this right over here, and then we have this little section in front of the bed. How beautiful is that light? Oh, I'm so tongue twisted. The mirror, it's like black. How cool is that, you guys? I really like it. I need to like freshen up and get ready for the event. But then we have all red accents. This is the Radissons, by the way. And then in this cupboard, I obviously knew this before I came, but Guess is actually giving us all of our outfits for the week. So I picked out a couple of things, and here's a little glimpse of what I chose. I'm wearing this leopard number tonight, and then we have shoes and some jeans, and in the bathroom. So how cool is the bathroom? I love the little red accents, by the way. And then this mirror is so cool. You guys, perfume. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay, let me freshen up, take some IG stories, and then get ready for the dinner and little fashion show tonight. I'm so excited to be here, guys. I'm like wanting to pinch myself every single second that I'm here. I haven't even been here for like 10 minutes, but on my way here in the plane, I was like, am I really coming on a trip with Guess? I've loved Guess for so long. I've never worked with them in the past. I've just purchased their jewelry and accessories and, you know, luggages and whatever, and I'm so happy to be here and be recognized by a brand that I truly love. So yay, I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along every single bit of this trip. So I'm gonna get ready. So I'm ready. I'll show you guys my outfit when I have the chance, but I just wanted to show you the sunset. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, let's go to dinner. Oh, I can actually show you my outfit here. So this is my outfit. I don't think I know anyone as of now. I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Hi, Jessica. Nice to meet you.
How you doing, baby? Good?
Jessica. Nice to meet you. Miss Nadia. What a beautiful girl. Oh, yeah. Say hi to my friends. like my makeup looks so like smacked on because I applied my makeup obviously this morning before my flight, and then when I arrived in Cape Town I didn't have much time to like shower and take my makeup off and redo it, so I had to like apply fresh makeup here and there like on already existing makeup, and I missed a little bit of mascara here, and then I had to apply more concealer and more powder, and I just feel like it looks so like over applied, if that's even a word. But yeah, I just got to my hotel room and immediately had to put my really soft and cozy Guess robe on, and I'm like laying on these Guess pillows. And I actually want to know from you guys, if you were to come on a trip like this, would you try and squeeze these pillows in your luggage to take home with you? I have two, by the way, so I'm gonna try and squeeze them in my bag to see if I can take them home, because I think they would look really cute in my beauty room, but we shall see Sunday when I go home. So yeah, I am ready to hop into a shower, wash my face and get into bed. We have a really early call time tomorrow morning. I think, well, not really early, but we have to be downstairs ready for our transfer to breakfast at 8 AM, so I have to be ready and all of that. So I need to get some rest. Tomorrow we are doing a private tour of Table Mountain and then having breakfast first thing when we get there, and I am so excited. That's one of the amazing things on the itinerary for tomorrow, and that's the only thing I'm going to mention to you guys, a little sneak peek, but you'll have to wait for that vlog and watch the next one to see what we get up to tomorrow. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I just wanted to say a quick thanks to you guys and also to Guess for inviting me on this trip. I mean, it's so incredible to be able to come to things like this with brands that you have loved for so long, and brands that you have actually, you know, purchased things from since you were a teenager. So it's just really incredible, and obviously wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you guys. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think, if you are excited with me, and then I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye. Good night.